Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will need to hold the power key and volume up, and then select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. And after a moment, we should have... There we go. Held it for a little bit too long. So I'm gonna hold it again. It did initiate a reboot, that's why it disappeared. So there we go. As you can see, once you boot into it, you have this faint Fastboot mode right here. So that's basically how you boot into Fastboot mode. And once you're done with it and you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power button till Fastboot mode disappears from the screen. There we go. And the device will boot up on its own. Let's just give it a moment, and as you can see, it's now booting back up. And we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.